tell us about this. What happened?
So on Australia Day at about 3:45 p.m, a male was sighted on a boat. An explosion was then heard. He's been thrown into the water and he's been rescued by a nearby boat, taken to the foreshore, and hasn't been sighted since.
Do you believe that it was deliberate?
We're unsure at this stage whether it was deliberate or he accidentally caused the fire. That's still being investigated.
Can you tell us anything about the owner of the boat?
The owner of the boat was at home. His boat was just moored in the water and he had no idea.
So tell us, who are you looking for?
So we're looking for a Caucasian male, about 35 years old. He was wearing blue shorts and no shirt and had lots of tattoos and also very short hair.